All right, this video is going to cover task number 2 and task number 3 of module 11, lesson 3 on deriving and applying a formula for the volume of a right prism. All right, so let's see, we got a tent here, and like we talked in task number 1, to find the volume of a right prism, you need to find the area of the base and multiply it times the height of that prism. So the formula for volume is V equals B, where that's the area of the base, and it's multiplied by its height, that's lowercase h. So find the volume of the tent as shown. Now, the base, what shape is that? That is a triangle, right? So we need to find the area of that triangle, and then how far apart are the bases? Okay, that's going to be my height. So that's 6 feet apart. So I need to find the area of this base right here and then multiply it by 6. All right. So since the tent shaped like a prism is the base of the prism, and of course that is a triangle. Okay. Um, we're going to use 1/2, and of course base times height. So of the triangle, 1/2 base times height. So 1/2, 4 times 5. Okay, so that's going to be this one right here. All right. And of course, 1/2, 4 times 5 would be 10. Right? All right, and then choose the correct number of words to complete the sentence. The length of the 10 is 6 feet. This represents the height of the prism, of course, because they're 6 feet apart. So 1/2, 4 times 5 times 6. Okay, well, 4 times 5, of course, that's 1/2, 4 times 5, of course, that's 10. 4 times 5 is 20, and half of 20 is 10. And 6 times 10, that would be 60. Okay, very simple math. Okay, let's move on to task number 3. All right. Other one, it gives me an access denied. Here we go. All right. So what shape is this here? It's a hexagonal prism. Has a volume of 60 cubic centimeters. So this time they've actually given me the volume, and it has a base area of 12 square centimeters. Now I want to find the height. So normally I would need to know the area of the base and multiply it times the height. Okay, just like we did before. V equals capital B, where of course capital B is the area of the base and h is my height. So basically this is telling me that V equals 60, and it's telling me that capital B equals 12. Okay, so I need to find h. What would I do to find h? Okay, all right, the base of this prism, of course, we know is a hexagon. And what are we going to do here operationally? If I fill in the numbers here, if I fill this in here, I know that 60 actually equals 12 multiplied times h. Now, how do I solve for h here? Of course, I'm going to divide both sides by 12, and 60 divided by 12 is 5. Okay, so h is 5. You can check my math if you like. So my height is 5. Okay. Every right prism has two congruent bases connected by the rectangular faces. The two congruent faces for this figure are the hexagons at the top and the bottom again. The height's always going to be measured by the distance between the two bases, or the two congruent faces. Okay. All right, so B and H. Use the formula for H to solve. Okay. Okay. So again, 60, of course, is what? Oops, not 5, 6. 60, of course, is my volume. What is my 12H? And then, of course, I just divided and I got 5. So the height of my hexagonal prism is 5 centimeters. Check it. We're good. All right, you're ready to do the check understanding and the on your own. Good luck with this. Thanks for watching.